In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Shopify Buy Now button. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Shopify admin and look for sales channels. Click the plus button to add a new sales channel, then select the Buy button channel from the list and add it. This channel is what lets you create a standalone button that customers can click outside of your store and be taken into Shopify's checkout. It's a lightweight way to sell on blogs, landing pages, or any site that accepts HTML. Next, navigate to the new Buy button channel that now appears in your admin. Click Create a Buy button and decide whether you want one for a single product or for a collection. Choosing a product is straightforward if you want to feature a single item. Choosing a collection works well if you want a button that opens a small storefront or a group of related items. Select the specific product or collection you want to feature. Once selected, you'll enter the editor, where you can customize how the button looks and behaves. Use the editor to change layout options like horizontal or stacked elements. Pick colors that match your brand, and edit the button text so it reads exactly how you want. You'll also choose what happens when someone clicks the button, whether they're taken directly to checkout for a quick purchase, or the item is added to the cart so they can continue shopping. Consider which flow matches your audience. Direct checkout reduces friction for impulse buys, while add to cart is better if you expect customers to browse more. If your product has multiple variants, configure variant settings so customers can pick size, color, or other options before they buy. If you include a shopping cart option, make sure the cart's appearance and behavior are set to your liking. For example, whether it shows a quantity selector or mini cart preview. When you're happy with the design and behavior, click Next and then copy code to grab the snippet that Shopify generates. This is the HTML you'll paste into the external page. Now open the HTML editor for the blog post, landing page, or other page where you want the button to appear. Paste the copied code into the HTML at the exact spot you want the button, save your changes, and publish. The button will appear on your external page and link directly to Shopify's checkout. Before you finish, test the button on desktop and mobile to ensure variant selection, cart behavior, and checkout work smoothly. That's all there is to it. A simple way to sell through any site using Shopify's checkout.